Hi, Kevin here in southwest Iowa. Had a controlled overtopping project on a level B road. What's going on is they removed the bridge that was in place here, put in 2 culverts, and knowing full well that at times the culverts won't be able to handle all the water that comes down this creek. So, knowing that, they decided to put in 2-ton rock bags, armor some of the upstream side as well as on the downstream side. So as the water goes over the road, it won't wash out on the downstream side. As you can see, there's quite a bit of debris that comes down through this creek, and then as it goes over the road, what was kind of neat is there's actually the sediment has been deposited into those bags. Most of these bags have done a great job sedimenting in. So the material has been washed across the road and now is deposited inside the bags. There's quite a bit of vegetation that's already taken place. Some of the larger debris also has come across the road. You have one bag, it looks like, that may have had a tear from some of that debris. Everything that's below the road level has held up really well. It's just one bag that was kind of above the main flow of the water. Anyways, we'll show you a couple other pictures before and after and how they went ahead and filled those bags to begin with.